delighted that today we are collectively presenting this important presentation before you. My team consists of Aradhya, Sia, Rudra, Roman, Aisha, Alisha, Karthik, Utkarsh, Naveen, Swarit, Sakshi and Vanshika. And together we have prepared this presentation. So the first topic is what is water? Water is the most important natural resources. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Water is an essential and integral component of all living beings. It has an irreplaceable role in the survival and existence of all living organisms. It is the basic need of all living organisms. About 70% of human body is composed with water.
So the second topic is different states of water. Water is known for existing in 3 different states. They are solid, liquid, gas. Today we are going to learn how one form changes to another, solid to liquid. When a solid changes to a liquid, it goes through the process of melting, solid to gas. When a solid changes to a gas, it goes through the process of sublimation, liquid to gas. When a liquid changes to a gas, it goes through the process of evaporation, liquid to solid. When a liquid changes to a solid, it goes through the process of freezing. Gas to liquid. When a gas changes to a liquid, it goes through the process of condensation. Gas to solid. When a gas directly changes to a solid, it goes through the process of deposition.
So the third topic is importance of water for plant. A large amount of water is being during the photosynthesis. Water helps in transportation of minerals among different parts of the plant. Water helps in oxygen and seeds. It is very important in our life. It is very important for the germination of seeds. Plant also lose water constantly, reliefs of the life. It is the source of the water.
It is importance of water for human and animal. It provides a medium for all biochemical reactions inside our body to take place. It helps in circulation of blood. It helps in utilization of water, soluble vitamins.
It regulates our body temperature.
So the fifth topic is sources of water, oceans and seas. More than 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with ocean and seas. Rainwater. Rainwater is considered as the purest form of natural water. Surface water is easiest available water because we see it every day. Groundwater. Groundwater is a water that seeps through the soil and collects above the non-precious rocks deep under the ground.
This topic of source of groundwaters. The well water is the pool of waters that operates mightily in its intrinsic waters. The waters which come out this is in pressure of the gas. The waters are still and the uncharting of a waters like seas, Himalayas, rays, etc.
Is water cycle. The water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes many different processes: liquid water, evaporation into water vapor, the condensation, clouds, precipitation back to earth, rain and so.
The rainwater collected in ponds, rivers, lakes, seas or oceans or percolates down the soil to the groundwater. Though in the older regions to form mild streams, rivulets and finally rivers, these rivers are at the merge into lakes and oceans.
So the eighth topic is importance of water cycle. Purified water. The evaporative phase leaves salt and other solids behind, maintaining life. The water cycle provides water for the most life on earth. It influences climate. The heat during
It is required from water. It helps us living required of the breathing in the earth. It is the distribution of water to a large area.
So the ninth topic is water conservation. Since only a small percentage of water on our planet is usable, so it is essential for us to.
Some ways to conserve water: adopting water harvesting methods, reuse wherever possible, prevent leakage from pipes.
Water is needed for use of water. Water is needed for various use of every day. Water is needed for bathing, cooking, cleaning, etc. Just like is no life without oxygen. Water is used from irrigation.
Water is used to generate electricity with the help of water wheel.
Water is used. Many plant and animals live in water. Many people live in boats floating on water.
So the last one is some point of water that we must know. The level of groundwater below the surface of the earth at a given place is called water table. Water is known as to exist in three different states: solid, liquid, gas. The continuous circulation of water in nature is called water cycle.
Water is one of the most important natural resources. About 97.4% of water in the earth is in ocean and seas. Water is an essential and integral component of all living beings.
Thank you.